Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm going to be creating a pillowcase design for you. Now these pillowcases are something that we do offer at Chalk Couture. So I'm just going to iron this out, and then I'm going to be using our Couture ink mats that we offer at Chalk Couture. And what I love about that is once you get the mat, you'll put it inside and you'll smooth out your surface because one side has like a little adhesive to it, and look how nice and flat that is to help me create a beautiful design. Now I'm going to be using our Buffalo Plaid and our Acres Away silk screen reusable transfers. I'm going to use our large squeegee, and our squeegees come in 3 different sizes, and then I'm going to be using our Couture ink for this project. Now I'm just removing my transfer from the backing. I'm going to smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles within the silk screen area, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my Couture ink. Now this does use a little bit more ink than a regular design or our Chalkology chalk paste because it is a larger surface. Now I have to tell you, I did have a little bubble in my design, and you'll see it right here on the left hand side, but it actually turned out okay because the look I was going for was like a distressed patina look in the end result. So you'll see how great it turned out. Now I'm going to remove my transfer. I'm going to put it in water because remember, all of our transfers at Chalk Couture are reusable. So I'll clean that up again with water and Clorox wipes, and then I'll store it again for future use. Now, I need to let this dry. So what I usually do is I will dry the surface with my hair dryer on cool, and then I will iron it on both sides for 4 minutes. And then my surface and my Couture ink is now permanently set. Okay, so now I'm doing the anchor part. I'm using our aqua for this. Oh, and by the way, I use gray for the Buffalo Plaid. For this, I'm using aqua, white, and then I'm going to be using our copper to give my anchor like a patinaed look. And you guys, it came out perfect. So if you would love to learn more about Chalk Couture products and creating your own DIY home decor, please reach out to me. Maybe you'd like to host a sip and chalk. Maybe you'd like to purchase products right from my website, or maybe you want to become a designer like me. I would love to share that information with you. So then there you go. What you just saw me doing is I'm going to iron it on both sides for 4 minutes to completely set the design and make it permanent. I'll insert my pillow, and then I have this beautiful new nautical looking pillow that I can place anywhere in my home. I hope you love the end result, and thank you for taking the time to watch.